Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the practical steps of mastering GPT Image 2, the reasoning-heavy update that OpenAI released in April 2026. Unlike previous versions where you just hoped for the best, using GPT Image 2 is about collaborating with an agentic system that actually plans your image before it draws a single pixel. To get started, you don't need a separate plugin anymore. It is natively baked into the GPT 4.0 interface. Simply open your chat and start your prompt. However, the secret to success with this model is the design brief approach. Instead of using vague keywords, describe your image in 3 layers: the scene, the technical settings, and the literal constraints. For example, tell the model, create a professional product shot of a sleek espresso machine centered on a marble countertop with soft morning light coming from the left, and exactly render the text "Morning Brew" on the front panel in a minimalist silver font. One of the most powerful features you must use is the thinking mode. When you submit a complex request, you'll see a status indicator showing the model is reasoning. During this phase, it is actually planning the spatial layout and even researching real-world context via web search to ensure your image is factually and structurally accurate. If the first result isn't perfect, do not start over. GPT Image 2 is built for multi-turn editing. You can simply say, keep everything the same, but move the coffee cup 2 inches to the right and change the lighting to a warm sunset glow. The model will use its reasoning layer to perform a surgical edit, preserving the identity of your original objects while only changing what you asked for. That is the quickest way to get production-grade results with GPT Image 2. Subscribe the channel for more videos.